Hello. This received from today's that blue color from China and the white color. This will be very good later to bring into Johor for cleaning of my gadgets in Singapore. It comes with a blue fabric material and the brush, okay, and this one as well, plus the pump, okay, so you can go and blow away all the dust, okay, which is very good. This pack is ordered from q100.sg. My sis is paying for it, so I actually don't know how much does it cost. So this is from China. This is for the handphone screen, okay. So let's get to work. My Samsung S8 handphone since coming back from Johor Princess Cove condo on 2nd of April till now it's almost 1 month and never clean, okay. So I am going to disinfectant it. Okay, let's get to work. Oops. Focus. This is cleaner for shell. Okay, good. The white one is for the shell. This is for the screen. Okay. Now to clean this new Oppa handphone. Okay, see you later. Please remember to disinfect your handphone. Okay, buy this from q100.sg. okay.